Today on Stu's cookery class, I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple and cinnamon infused whiskey. It's really simple and really easy to do. First, we're just going to take our apple, and I'm cutting it into thin wedges, but you could dice it or chop it however you liked. We're then going to place those in the kiln jar along with the cinnamon sticks and the whiskey. Now I'm snapping my cinnamon sticks in, and this just helps to release a bit more flavour from them. You don't want to use a powdered cinnamon for this because that'll taste powdery when you try and drink it later, and you won't be able to sort of pass that out. So now I'm just pouring the whiskey over the top, and we're going to give it a really good shake to make sure it's all coated. Once we've done that, we're going to take a piece of greaseproof, a small square, and press it in on top, and this is just to make sure there's no air in contact with the apple and that the whiskey is covering everything so that you don't get any little bits of mould growing. Now I left mine for 14 days and it gave it a really sort of sweet and subtle spiced flavour. If you like this video, why not hit that button and consider subscribing? And if you really liked it, why not check out my blackberry vodka recipe, which is linked on the screen now.